We need a lot of CNC equipment to process the cylinder. Do you know how these devices work? First, our workers enter the operating procedures. Then the tool of the CNC machine moves according to the requirements of the shape and the size of the parts. Machining this thread, the requirements are very strict. We must use our highly rigid, high-precision full-featured CNC tube thread lathe. You can see our threaded parts are high precision, beautiful, and durable. There are also many other equipments, such as this automatic drilling machine, that help us to complete high-quality cylinders for our customers.